Hi, Blake with BlvdHome. From feedback we got from Reed's own personal washing machine, if you ever saw that video, that pulling off the layer of hair off the condenser and how we could make a weave with that thing. And you know, if I was bald, I could make a weave and put it across my head. It was kind of nasty, but we did that video and we got feedback, people saying, well, they have a kit out to help that. So it's this nice accessory kit right here. In this box, there is things in here that you can put in the machine for your pet care, which is really convenient for you. So it's pretty simple. There's only like 7 steps to this. And all you need is a screwdriver to take care of this. It's not too in-depth. In this also, you have new pieces that you put in here. Now, this is the new one. Now, when it comes from the machine, basically it looks like this. There's nothing in here, it's just straight through. This one has this nice nylon mesh in there, which will be great if you have pets and prevent all that hair and stuff from getting on the condenser. This, when it goes in, you say, well, gosh, it's kind of hard to get, but this one's great because it is magnetic. It just drops in, it pulls out. It's fantastic. And then it also opens up. You can get into this and clean this really well. And this is really fine. So if you do have pet hair, a bunch of teenage daughters living in your house. Anyhow, so this is really great for this machine. And then also comes with a nice new sticker they put on here. It puts some instructions on this and they have the warnings on this where it says clean the filter every 2 weeks for your best performance. So every 2 weeks they want you to clean it out with a brush and a few other things. And it also says they want you to remove your pump clean out every 2 weeks and clean it out. I think that's a little extreme as far as cleaning out the pumps. But again, this is what LG is recommending. So again, if you want to go by what the manufacturer is recommending, it's right here in this nice little sticker that we'll end up putting on the machine. And then they must have watched my last video because they actually sent me screws and they sent me stickers. I'm so excited. I have stickers to cover up the screws that come off because they never go back on after you take them off. So now we have some great stickers to put on after we're done with this. So let's show you how to put this thing on and we'll see how well it's going to work. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this lint filter out, and this is the part they want you to clean every couple weeks. Run it underwater, pull this out, clean this like you should. That's something they do recommend. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to have to remove this sticker. And again, thank you for sending me new stickers. Okay, they want us to remove this one screw right here. So typically before this kit, you'd have to remove this screw every time that you would have to clean the filter out. So this is going to make it a lot more convenient. So with that, we're just going to take and we're going to pull this piece right out. And then we're just going to set this to the side over here. Now we're going to put in the new piece. It looks fairly similar, except it doesn't have the pieces in front of it. This piece has just a metal piece that they've actually formed in the plastic here, and that's where our magnet from this is going to stick to it. We're gonna put this, we're gonna fit this right back in the same spot here. We're gonna just kind of work it in here, and it sits just like so. We're gonna put the screw back in here, and that's what's gonna hold it. And this is kind of backwards, you would kind of think, but basically you have an arrow, and this part here goes at the bottom. So basically we're gonna put it in here. It's going to sit right there and then it just drops in just like that. All we have to do is cover that back up with this sticker, because after with this kit and this accessory kit, you should never have to remove that screw ever again. And we're going to put it right back over that hole right there. And then all we have to do is drop this in place. In the kit, there is 2 of these. Now, this one is for your pet care because it has a filter on it. Now, this one doesn't have anything in it. Now, they don't really say anything in the instruction manuals for this one. The only thing I can assume with this one is if you're not using the pet care one, that you can use this one because it does have the same magnetic catches on it as this one, so it drops in exactly the same. It's 100% identical, but this is empty. So this would be similar to what it came from the factory. If you're worried about this clogging up, you can probably use this for most of your stuff. Then you're doing pet care and stuff like this, you could put this one in because it's very easily to swap in and out once you put the new piece inside the machine and have it secured. And then if you ever need to clean this out for your pet hair, pull that out, reach right down here, pull that out, separate it, clean it out. You do have this big opening now that you can reach back here and clean it really easy with a vacuum, with a soft brush if you want to. But if you bend these fins, that can be a bad thing. At this point, this piece should catch everything, should go in there. And like I said, it should just drop in and out just like that. And it should take care of those pet problems for you. A question that everyone could have, or I could have, is could this affect the dry time of this all in one unit, where it doesn't have a great dry time to begin with? The answer is yes, it could, because this is a fine mesh and it will catch everything. It's like if you have one of these fine meshes in your dryers, if you use dryer sheets or use fabric softener, they do get clogged pretty quickly. Yes, it can. So if you don't do the proper maintenance on this and you don't take it out and you don't clean clean it and you don't run it under the water and you don't rub it with a scrub brush, yes, it can affect the machine and how well it's going to dry. But as long as you take care of those things, you shouldn't have any issue with it increasing the dry time as long as you do what you're required to do. Again, we'd like to thank whoever made the comment that this is available, and we're very grateful you did. Now you know what this kit is and what you can do to improve the machine so you don't have to deal with all this pet hair you could possibly get into the condenser. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again real soon.